So in this video, I'm going to talk about something really important. Now, guys, we got top 3 stocks that you can buy and hold, and probably not for a long time, but you can hold, and that will give you a pretty good amount of returns. First of all, okay, if you want to know more and more, I will post a link down in the description. You can come and see there in more brief what kind of stocks are they exactly, when to buy, when to sell exactly. Like for example, look here, these are the levels, how it's provided, when to buy and sell everything exactly. I'll post a link down in the description. You can come and join and see how it really goes. But take a look at this. These are the people who are just trading with us. Now, going back to this, okay, going back to the stocks, the first stock, of course, I'm going to talk about is called Oracle, ORCL. That's a stock, of course. It went from $242 right on the high, all-time high of $350 almost. Now, take into consideration, of course, this stock is right now trading at almost very close to $310, and where the stock is going to head. Of course, $20 billion deal is gone with AI, and if that gets close, of course, this stock will hit to $335 pretty easily. That's one take. Okay, let's say if Oracle comes out and buys TikTok, where the stock will head, it'll go to 350, 368, even go to $380. It can make just new all-time high. So it has a lot of potential. This stock has a heavy amount of potential right here. So will the stock flush down? I don't think so, because the earnings and the guidance were absolutely amazing. So there's no reason that the stock will flush down for now, but there's a kind of hype in the market. We'll take advantage of that hype. But the second stock is none other than PLTR. So Palantir. So Palantir, of course, this stock is trading. Just look at this. After this massive flush down right here, we got a nice, beautiful consolidation and just going back up. And will the stock hit $200? Yes, this will hit $200 according to my research. What I think, again, it's not a financial advice. It's only for educational purpose. Only what I think and how I see the stock, how I invest in the stock. So in this stock, of course, I'm holding the positions in Palantir, even in Oracle, and one more stock I'm going to just disclose, and please stay tuned and watch the entire video. So this stock, of course, is it a buy right now? Yes, it's a buy. It can flush down to $178, so nothing really panicking about that. Even $176 it can really flush down, so I'm just going to draw those levels right here. So it will probably come around like $176, $175 right here, and this just again tries to break out that all-time high $190. If it just breaks out, of course, we are just very close to the round figure number $200. So that the stock will honestly try to hit that $200 level, because the market is just hitting all-time high and Palantir is just sitting around like $160, $170. That is doesn't really justify. So that's the reason, of course, now is a chance. Take this chance and become a millionaire. Guys, take advantage of this market and just crush it. Now, what's the third stock? Guess it. It's Tesla. So Tesla, of course, now it didn't make all-time high right now, but it's really trying to just go back to that where the stock was previously. So we're gonna go here. It went to $490. Is the stock very close to $439? The first thing that this stock is gonna do is get to this $439 or 400, this level, and of course the second level, the stock will again make right here $469, and the third level, of course, $490. So I'm just rough. So these are the 3 levels, 3 resistance. Of course, the stock is really trying to hit. Once it just goes, this stock is going to go above 500, and probably it might be sitting around 550 by the end of the year. This stock has a high potential of sitting even $650. So take this all in consideration, but it will not go, of course, in one shot. Of course, this stock might just go back and forth, but has a lot of potential on the upper side. Okay, since now recently we got a massive pump in the stock, and now we don't want to miss this massive run, what's about to come in this stock, Tesla. So guys, I'll post the link down in the description. You can come and join for free and see what stocks I'm buying and selling. You can see the entire portfolio, what I'm buying and selling, and then probably you can copy paste and you can see how it really goes, and just take in consideration that you learn from some kind of decent knowledge or even a good knowledge. So don't just go and gamble in the market. This is the first rule. Do not gamble in the stock market. The moment you start gambling the stock market, of course, that's the moment, of course, you are just losing everything. You're just basically staking everything and with no results. Basically, you are kind of like playing poker. We're not doing that here. We just study the companies and everything precisely, and then we take a decision when to buy, when to sell. Exactly. There are people in the group right here, 58 people, right? 58 members. So they know how to buy and sell exactly, and because they are learning very good and precisely. So guys, I'll post the link down in the description. You can come and join and trade and take advantage of this. So let me know these three stocks: Oracle, Palantir, and Tesla. These are the three stocks, top-notch stocks. Of course, I'm not going to give it up, and I will just double it down on these companies. So if you want to know, just be updated, come down to the group and see how many shares I'm buying and how many shares I'm selling. Thank you so much for watching. Probably see you in the next video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more and more videos, these kind of videos. Bye-bye. Take care, and probably see you in the next video.